what's going on here? Rokke is dripping gasoline from the tank. It looks like it's filled up the spare tire cradle, and that is flammable. We have a situation here I need to address immediately. Right next to those hot exhaust pipes. This is dangerous. Step one, we need to contain the gas. So I've got a kitty litter tray filled with kitty litter, of course. Put it under the leak to contain the dripping, and of course spread it out on the garage floor to help dry up, soak up gasoline that's already fallen on the concrete. Step two, dispose of the gas safely. Alright, I've got some contractor cleanup bags, 3 mil thick, that's what you need, and a plastic drop cloth. And get yourself a broom. Then we're going to spread out the drop cloth outside, dump out the kitty litter, and use your broom to spread it out so it can dry and evaporate in the sun before you dispose of it in the trash bags. Step 3, call for your tow truck, and remember, don't start your car, just push it out of the garage. You ask for some help from the driver, and you want to risk igniting any vapors or any gas that still might be in the garage. Step 4, oversee the tow. Remember, Corvettes are special vehicles that need special attention. Their front ends are all fiberglass, and there's a plastic air dam there. They're rear-wheel drive vehicles, so you want to use a flatbed trailer or tow from the rear. So the first thing he'll do is back his support arm up to the vehicle. You can see Rocky's still dripping. He's dripping into the street now. Then make sure he uses those heavy straps to anchor the tires, so that car is not going to go anywhere. Then he'll go back and he'll raise it up and pull the car closer to the tow truck. And this is how it'll look when he's about ready to head out. Of course, your main worry is going to be, is that front end going to be scraping the ground or hitting anything? So be sure to prevent any damage. Step 5, instruct the tow driver to proceed slowly, especially around turns and over speed bumps. Fortunately, I only had to tow Rokke a couple of miles to Long's garage in Urbana, and after he was repaired, he was on the road again.